Another day, another story. Today we are going to talk about Operation Outside the Box, one of the most remarkable examples of the covert capabilities of Mossad, the Israeli intelligence agency. In this operation, Mossad agents carried out a surgical strike against a nuclear reactor in Syria, thus thwarting Syria's plans to develop nuclear weapons. The operation was a testament to the Mossad's unparalleled intelligence gathering and operational capabilities, and is considered one of the most successful covert operations in history. Syria's nuclear program. To understand the significance of Operation Outside the Box, we must first delve into Syria's nuclear program. In the early 2000s, Syria, under the leadership of President Bashar al-Assad, began a covert program to develop nuclear weapons. Syria's nuclear ambitions were fueled by its desire to counter Israel's nuclear arsenal, which it saw as a major threat to its security. Mossad's intelligence gathering. Mossad, Israel's intelligence agency, had been monitoring Syria's nuclear program for several years. Mossad agents had infiltrated Syrian nuclear facilities, gathered intelligence, and tracked the movement of key personnel involved in the program. Mossad also collaborated with other intelligence agencies, including the CIA, to gather information on Syria's nuclear program. Planning the operation in 2007, Mossad received intelligence that a nuclear reactor was being built in Syria with the assistance of North Korea. Mossad officials analyzed the intelligence and concluded that the reactor was a serious threat to Israel's security. Mossad chief Meir Dagan then presented the findings to the Israeli government, which authorized the operation. Operation Outside the Box. On September 6, 2007, 8 Israeli F-15 fighter jets took off from an airbase in southern Israel and flew across the Mediterranean towards Syria. The planes flew at low altitude to avoid detection by Syrian radar. When they reached their target, the Al-Kibar nuclear facility in the eastern Syrian desert, they dropped precision-guided bombs that destroyed the reactor. The operation was over in less than 2 hours, and the Israeli planes returned safely to home. That's it. For more content, subscribe to What an AI YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.